Smokey, what are you sniffing? What are you doing, mister? You being good? That tail's really swishing. Mister, what do you think? Why are you so interested in my legs? You done sniffing? Your eyes are so big. Alright, let's go. Come on. What are you doing? Hmm? What do you smell? You are being silly. You are really inspecting me. I don't know why. Okay, let's go. Come on, Smokey. Let's go. Let's go. What are you doing? Alright. Time to get up. I have no idea what's on me that he's so interested in. Smokey, what are you doing? You're not agitated. At least you don't seem agitated. Your tail's agitated. Maybe you need some treats as a distraction. Need to order new treats. Oh, you heard this treat thingy open. Oops. That isn't gonna help me. Here. Want to sniff? No, the treats are more interesting now, huh? Oh, it's by my foot. You can have it. Try it by my foot. It's right there. Smokey, it's right there. Is there something wrong with my foot? Good kitty. There's another one. Does my boot smell like a treat now? Does that make it less interesting? What about the other boot? Oh, look. Boop. Alright, smellies. No more smelly? Hmm? The treats are more important, huh? I don't understand what's up with you, silly. Here. Oh, there's another treat on my boot. How did that happen? Good kitty. What are you doing? What happens if I put these away? Why? There's no more treats on my boots.